In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add opening balance in Zoho Books. If you're moving your accounting to Zoho Books, setting an accurate opening balance ensures your reports, bank accounts, inventory, and contact balances all start off correctly on day one. First, open your browser and go to books.zoho.com. Sign into your organization. Once you're in, look to the top right and click the gear icon to open Settings. From the Settings menu, choose Opening Balance. This is your centralized place to enter what your business already has and owes as of your migration date. Before you type anything in Zoho Books, gather your numbers. In your previous accounting software, generate a trial balance report dated exactly on the day you plan to start using Zoho Books. The trial balance is a snapshot of all your account balances, assets, liabilities, equity, income, and expenses, so you can mirror them in Zoho Books. Make sure the date matches your go live day and that the report is final with any year-end adjustments already posted. Next, in Zoho Books, head to the banking module and add all your bank and credit card accounts. Add them one by one so they match the accounts on your trial balance. Once each account is created, enter its balance as of your migration date. Use the statement balance that excludes any pending transactions, so reconciliation later is smooth. If your account is a credit card or line of credit, remember that a positive figure in the trial balance may represent a liability. Just follow the prompts Zoho Books provides for the correct sign. If you track inventory, import your items along with their opening stocks. Prepare a file with item names or SKUs, quantities on hand, and the inventory value as of the migration date. Be consistent with the valuation method you used previously, so your inventory asset total aligns with your trial balance. After the import, spot check a few items to confirm quantities and values came through as expected. Now import your contacts, both customers and vendors, along with their opening balances. Customer balances represent unpaid invoices, and vendor balances represent unpaid bills as of the migration date. Make sure the totals for receivables and payables agree with your trial balance. Include currency details if you work with multiple currencies so balances land in the right place. Once you've added your bank and card accounts, imported items with stock, and brought in contact balances, return to the opening balance screen and click Continue. Review the summary carefully. Your debits and credits should align and the totals should match your trial balance. If something looks off, you can adjust the entries before finalizing. That's it, your opening balance is set and you're ready to run with Zoho Books.